To paint this particular silencer, you can see the condition. It is completely rusted, and we have this 3M bike care that is from 3M silencer coating. Let me see how the effect goes, and if everything goes well, I'll give you the review of that. So let's begin painting. So you can see, guys, that I've been spraying on this. Slowly I'm spraying on this. And this seems to be coated very nicely. I don't know how it will last or not. But as for now, it looks pretty okay. It looks, you can see few areas that I'm trying to cover it. It's looking pretty okay from all the sides. So let it dry and then we'll see how the result comes.
The final result, and it looks pretty good because the condition was so bad. And before doing this, I scrubbed it a little with the sanding paper, and I'm very happy. I'll install it on my bike and I'll tell you how it is, but till now it looks pretty good.
So you can see now that's the final result. I have already installed it on my bike and that's pretty good. It's looking, I'm happy. I'll let you know how it functions. I mean, after getting hot, what will happen, I'll let you know.
Okay, thank you for watching.